of African countries had a surplus in their balance of payments of some 600 million in 1973. This surplus turned to a deficit of about 150 million in 1974. And for 1975, the deficit grew much larger. This painful development has forced most African governments to modify development plans and revise growth targets downwards. Kenya, being one of the developing countries most seriously affected by international inflation, has also been through this sad process. Thus, most African countries cannot expect any growth in real per capita income in these years. And in fact, a number of our countries are even experiencing a fall in the standards of living that are already abysmally low. We must now adopt an entirely new set of market intervention mechanisms designed and deployed through deliberate and concerted action for the equitable benefit of all our peoples. It is against this background, Mr. Chairman, that our delegation would like to express its fullest support for the integrated program for commodities.